I am Patrice Jackson. I am coming all the way from Los Angeles, California, all the way on the other side of the United States. I really wanted to improve on my technique and my knowledge of pipe and drape. Precious, you were relaxing for me. You helped build up my confidence. You gave me tips on technique. And that's something I really need to work on, is just feeling that confidence enough to try something new and something different. And I did, and I feel fabulous about it. So I got what I came for. And I just really wanted to get better with the technique. And you gave me lots of tips that I didn't know. It's a worthwhile investment. I think it will give your backdrops a polish and a look that everybody else doesn't have. Which only translate to a higher end client, which is, we all want to get to that point, right? But I definitely think there's something about really learning your craft and putting all that extra effort into learning your craft. And I think you can get that when you come see Precious.